Okay, here is a numerical problem based on a freely falling body or motion under gravity in general. When we say freely falling body, generally means that the particle is moving under gravity. A particle is thrown vertically upward. Its velocity at half the maximum height is 10 meter per second. Find the maximum height attained by it. So, let us try to draw the situation here. Particle is thrown from this position and this is the maximum height. Let us assume that the maximum height is h. Particle is thrown with an initial velocity u, and he says at half the maximum height, that means corresponding to this position, the velocity is 10 meter per second. But when it goes to the highest position, the final velocity is 0. So, I will consider two intervals. This interval, I will call this as interval 1, that means from point A to point B. So, A to B, I will use the third equation of motion, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. V is 10. So, 10 square is equal to u square plus 2 minus g into h by 2. This is our equation number 1. Then I will consider the interval A to C, not B to C, but A to C. I will use the same equation one more time, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. You know, at the highest position the velocity is 0. So, v dash is 0 is equal to u square plus 2 minus g into h. This is the equation for the journey from A to C. Now, let me subtract equation 2 from equation 1, that is 1 minus 2. 100 minus 0 is 100, u square and u square cancel, and this is minus 2 g h by 2 minus of minus plus 2 g h, or 100 is equal to 2 g h by 2. 100 is equal to 2, g is 10 and h by 2. These two cancel, leaving h is equal to 100 divided by 10, or h is equal to 10 meters. Therefore, the maximum height travelled by the particle is 10 meter.